GDMS Networking, Grandstream's free cloud network management platform, makes it easy to build wired and wireless networks across one or multiple sites. It provides real-time, proactive monitoring of your networks to ensure they are secure and operating at top performance. From one interface, you can easily add, configure, and manage all Grandstream networking devices, including routers, switches, and access points. GDMS allows you to manage the endpoint devices that access the network, providing full control. Maps makes it easy to find and manage any device on your network, while the heat map simulates RF signal coverage to help you understand and maximize network coverage. Topology maps provide a great way to view and manage networks, devices, and connected clients. Easily manage large numbers of devices through unified configuration to simplify network setup and management. You can also find, add, and allocate equipment globally in the inventory section,